we are going to see about the dairy farming. Dairy farming, it is nothing but the animal which gives us milk and milk product are called as dairy farming animals. So why we are dairy farming animals will gives us not only the milk and milk product, even their skin, their hair, and even their bones are being used for some other purpose also. Okay, so here only about the dairy farming we are going to see. So milk and milk product are being useful for the men, for the man, and for even for the other animals also we can say. Okay, so in this dairy farming we are going to see about the, so milk and milk product are the main thing here. Milk product means, you know, well, ghee, butter, cream, paneer, and then cheese, etc. So these are all the milk products we can say. Okay. So next we are going to see about the cattle breeds. What do you mean by cattle breeds? Cattle breeds are nothing but the animals which are reared for the different purpose. Okay, so different animals. Some animals were used only for um, getting the milk, and some animals for drafting purpose, and some animal, if you see, both process it is used. So here the cattle breed is of three types. One, if you see, dairy breeds. Okay, one is dairy breeds, and next one, if you see, draft breeds, and next one, if you see, dual. Okay, what do you mean by dairy breeds? The animals which are reared only for the milk and milk products. Only for milk and milk product only the animals are used. So that is called as dairy breeds. Okay, example, if you see, Gir or Sindhi, red Sindhi we can say. Okay, example, uh, example for this is Sindhi and Gir. Okay, on the best example, they will yield more amount of nearly per day 16 liter or 20 liter, 16 to 20 liters they can give the milk. And next, if you see, and this is also called as milching animals, milching breed or milching animals we can say. Okay, next, if you see, draft breeds. Draft breeds are nothing but the animals which are used for the agricultural purpose, like tilling, carting, or supplying of water, that is irrigation process. Some of the animals are being used. So here, for farm work, animals which are used for farm work. Okay, that is called draft breeds. Example, Kangayam we can say. Okay, example, Kangayam we can say. Next, if you see, dual breeds. So the animals which are used for milching as well as for the farming, both the work, if it is used, means they are called as dual. Dual means double purpose it is used. So the best example, if you see here, Ongole we can say. Example, both the purpose. Example, on goal. Clear? So next topic we are going to see about the composition of cattle feeds. So composition of cattle feeds are nothing but here food for animals. Okay, feeds are nothing but food for animals. So here, why feeds are very important? Feeds are important for the healthy life of animals, free from diseases, and to stay healthy. So free from diseases and to work hard. Okay, so these are all the very important process to give proper feeds to the cattle. Okay, what type of feed we have to go for? It should be feeds are two types actually. One is roughage. One is roughage and the other one is concentrates. What do you mean by roughage? It is nothing but all the green color fresh food plants are called as roughage here. Okay, it is rich in fiber. Greens, fresh greens, or like it will be of fresh in nature. And for example, a corn plant is being harvested. The corn will be taken separately, and the chaff, if you see, that is the leaves, leftover leaves will be used as a roughage for the plants, for the cattle. Okay, children. And for it is root crops also it consists of. It consists of root crops and some of the grasses. These are all rich in fiber content. Okay, it takes more time for the digestion process for the cattle. And concentrates are nothing but some of the grains are being used. For example, if you see ragi, millet, kambu, cholam, mustard cake, and groundnut cake, mango seeds, neem cake, yellow, all those things are called as concentrates here. Okay, example, ragi, millets, oil cake. So these are all called as concentrates. Okay, and this some ratios are being maintained for the cattle to give over as a food. So if you see this roughage food, it should be of 15 to 25 kg. It should be added for the milking of cow. If you want proper level of milk, means 15 to 25 kg of roughage food should be added. And concentrates, if you see, 4 to 5 kg of all the grains, it should be mixed to in a proper ratio, and it should be given to the cattle. And next, if you see overall, the water content is required for the cattle. About 100 to 150 liters of water is required for average milking of cow. Clear, children? Question starter. What do you know about the dairy farming? So all the thing you have to explain in detail about that topic, and write a detailed account on the composition of cattle feed. This also you should explain in detailed process. Clear, children?